So, hello, dear students. Good evening, everyone. How all are you? So, I hope you all are fine, you all are okay, and you are doing well. So, today we are celebrating National Flag Day. So, it's an our National Flag Day of 2025. Means every year, 22nd of July, we celebrate Indian National Flag Day. Okay? So means every country has a different national flag, but our country has a tricolor national flag. So our national flag is has very much importance for everyone. Means our pride, our unity, our diversity, and our strength is all about our national flag. So we will discuss on National Flag Day today. Okay. So first of all, I am wishing you all very happy National Flag Day 2025. So here we are going to celebrate this National Flag Day with the help of some presentations of students. So one by one, I will invite some students on the stage and they will give their speech. Okay. So first I am inviting Kritika. So Kritika will let you know about National Flag Day and why we celebrate National Flag Day every year on 22nd July and what is the history behind our national flag. Okay Kritika, let's start.
National Flag Day in India is celebrated on July 22nd to commemorate the adoption of the Indian national flag by the Constitutional Assembly in 1947. It's a day to honor the tricolor and its significance as a symbol of is a significant symbol of our unity, pride, and humanity. Uh,
Okay, that's all. So who will tell about the history of national flag? Actually, basically, our national flag is designed, means design was started since 1906 or somewhere 1907. Means so many design was presented by some artist, but Venkaiah, Venkaiah's flag was passed out by our Indian Constitutional Assembly. Means it was an Gandhian era. So that time means it has an 24 spokes in the Ashok Chakra. So basically Ashok Chakra in the middle of the flag. Means it has also very much significance of this Ashok Chakra. So I think students will tell you about this Ashok Chakra. So next I am inviting Harsh. Harsh will tell you about the history of national flag.
So hello everyone, I am Arth and I am telling you about the history of Ashok Chakra and the importance of our flag. So we all know that every country has their national flag with their meaning and symbol, and and there are three colors in our national flag: saffron, white, and green, and Ashok Chakra. And there are 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra is about the diversity, progress, and the justice of our country, and the and I am telling to you who made our first national flag. The person who designed our first national flag was a Gandhian, a freedom fighter named Pingali Venkaiah. He designed our first flag in 1947.
So basically means first national flag means our Constitutional Assembly was passed that time. So it was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. Okay. So means there are lots of history about our national flag means, but actually I think he has no more knowledge about that. In 1921, in 1937, 1931, at the time of Swaraj Party also means so many changes occur in the time of national flag. Actually, first national flag basically so many persons told it was designed by the Bhagni Nivedita, the disciple of Swami Vivekananda. But there are lots of variations in our history. So some persons told means basically it was designed in 1907 by some Bengal philosopher and Bengal artist. and redesigned by some 1911, 17, means at the time of freedom struggle, means it was designed so many times. So Harsh, please continue your speech.
The idea of designing a flag was in 1921, which is under the Britishers' rules, but proposed by the Indian National Committee, Congress Committee. And we all know that the saffron color means is courage and strength of our country, and white says the peace and truth of our country. And the Ashok Chakra, I am already told about you Ashok Chakra. And last one is green. It is at the bottom of the flag. It says the fertility, growth, and the nurturing nature of our motherland India. And in the last, I want to say that salute to all those leaders who brought us independence, who brought us independence, and in independence, and the flag that will always hold their legacy and our history intact. Our flag is our flag is our pride. So that's all about my topic.
Very good, Harsh. Basically, our flag is our identity. Whenever we travel another world, so that time we have our flag, means as an identity of Indian flag. So means Indian flag has a very much importance nowadays in the world because of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Means he has a lot of significance all over the world. That's why we are so much pride and we are so much dignified to our national flag. Next, I am inviting Manas. So Manas will tell you about the national flag.
So, good evening to all of you. I am here at your topic on National Flag Day. So, let's continue this topic. So, first is every year we celebrate 22 July. 22 July. We celebrate 22nd July every year, National Flag Day. So, National Flag Day is adopted in 1947 by a great freedom fighter. It's also a guardian. That name was Bengali Venkaya. And our National Flag Day is a day to honor our flag and respect to our flag. And it's a day with ownership and other things. And we call Changa. Our national flag name was Changa because it is a band of three colors. First is saffron, second is white, third is green, and last is Ashok Chakra in the middle of white color. So saffron means the courage and strength of our country, and white color means the truthless and peaceless of our country, and Ashok Chakra means diversity of our India and dharma of our India. And last is green color. So green color is green color represents the energy of our country. So I have concluded this topic right now.
So Manas has represent in very good style, or means Manas has very good points. Next, I am inviting Vanshika. Vanshika, please come on the stage. Just tell about our Indian national flag.
India is our country, and the national flag day is very important for us. And the national flag day was adopted 20 July in 1947, and some days after the independence of India on 15 August in 1947 from British rule.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Chanchal. Chanchal, please come on the stage. Just you have to share your point of views on national flag.
National Flag Day is celebrated on 22 July in India. On this day in 1947, the Indian national flag was adopted. The flag is also called the Tiranga. It has three colors: saffron, white and green. The flag has a blue Ashok Chakra. The flag has a blue Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes. 24 spokes. The tricolor was designed Bengali Venkaya. We should respect our national flag. That's all.
Very good. So we all should respect our national flag because it's an our pride and it's an our dignity. Next, I'm inviting Harshit Yadav. So please come on the stage.
So as we know that our national flag is also called as Tiranga because it is composed of three colors, saffron, white and green. And as we know that each color has their own importance. So everyone respect it, and we should always respect it because as we have seen that if we go in any country, so everyone respect their national flag because it is the national symbol of their dignity, their unity and their prosperity. These things are the main features of any citizens because we are Indians, so we respect a lot our national flag because the saffron color shows the Hindu religion and also the courage and the also the salute to the our freedom fighters because it is a color of pride. And as we know that the white color shows the peace and truth of our India, and the green color shows the agriculture and the fertility of the India. So ask the soldiers how important this flag is for them. They are ready to die for this color, but they never wanted that this color is on the floor or is harmed by anyone. They died themselves, but they didn't any strike on the national flag of India. So that's all from my presentation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Okay, very good. Next, I'm inviting Nakul. Nakul will tell you about our National Flag Day.
National Flag Day is celebrated on 22 July in India. Our national flag is Tiranga. Our national flag is a three colors: saffron, white, and green.
Yes.
It on days Indian. It on day
Yes. Yeah.
The-
Celebrate.
Indian.
Let's continue. Next point.
The blue Ashok Chakra in
Our national flag.
in our national flag and 24 spokes.
Yes.
We must respect our flag. That's all.
Very good. Next, I am inviting Vanshika.
The national flag of India is the symbol of freedom and united of the country. It is in rectangular shapes. It was called tricolor and Tiranga. As it has three colors. The topmost color is saffron and white is the middle and green is the last color of Tiranga. There is adopted two national flag 22 July in 1947. There is a blue color. It was called Ashok Chakra. There is a 24 spokes in the Ashok Chakra. Thank you. That's all.
Very good. Very nice presentation by Vanshika. Next, I am inviting Krishna. So please come on the stage. Just please come on the stage.
Every year we 22nd July we celebrate National Flag Day of India. National Flag Day is a National Flag Day is a right for our country, and National Flag Day of India is Tiranga. The flag is three colors. That Ashoka Chakra is 24 sticks.
That's all. Next, I'm inviting Rituraj. Rituraj, please come on the stage. Krishna is sometimes hyper हो जाता है, घबरा जाता है कई बार. चलो, ऋतुराज.
Now I'm telling about the National Flag Day of India, and every year we are celebrating 22 July 22 July of National Flag Day, and it is every country have its own flag for and values and many things, and there are three colors in our national flag. First saffron, second white, and last green. And there are and in middle Ashok Chakra. And now I'm telling about history of National Flag Day. In 96, the adoption of the unofficially adoption of 1960 and 1906, and the and
Before means adopting by Indian Assembly or Indian Constitution Assembly. So basically, unofficially, it means it was adopted so many times. Okay. Next, I'm inviting Harsh. Please come on the stage. Just you have to complete your presentation. Means what do you know about national flag and why we celebrate National Flag Day?
There is national flag is three colors. Orange is top and white is middle. Green is last, and Ashok Chakra in the middle of the Ashok Chakra national flag. And we should always respect our national flag. There the symbols is pieces. Thank you. That's
Okay. Next, I'm inviting Deepesh. Deepesh will let you know about national flag.
We celebrate always National Flag Day. National Flag Day is celebrated in 22nd July every year. 20 and national flag. There are three colors of national flag: saffron, white, and green. And middle is blue. And national flag is our identity.
Okay. That's all. Next, Natik, please come on the stage. Actually, some students are very much nervous. Actually, why are here so nervous? Because it's your class. Means all students you are already familiar with all of us. So why you are nervous? Okay, Natik, please continue.
National Flag Day is celebrated on 22nd July in every year. And the national flag represents the ideas, values, virtues of all Indian citizens. And 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 every country has its own flag with meaning and color with symbols. And the Indian national flag indicates the three bonds of color and 24 spikes. The saffron or kesari means strength or peace. It is the top band that is horizontally the right two, and the right below. And in the middle of the white symbols is represent a peace, and last green color represent our nature. And the national flag is pride to all Indian citizens. And that's all my topic.
Okay. Next, I am inviting Dikendra and Sumit. After that, Sumit. Harshita, you are ready? Okay, Dikendra.
First of all, very good evening everyone. I am Dekendra and I am presenting a topic on National Flag Day. Every year we celebrate 22nd July our National Flag Day, there are three colors in our flag: saffron, white, green. Saffron is the top. It is a symbol of bravery, and white is the middle. It is a symbol of peace, and the bottom. It is a symbol of prosperity and nature. We should always our respect. We should always our respect and love our flag. That's all.
Actually, we should always respect our and love our flag. Okay. So now I am inviting Sumit.
Firstly, happy National Flag Day. So let's start. National Flag Day celebrate on 22nd July. Uh, 22nd July in every year. The history of national flag in 22nd July in 1947, the flag of India adopted by Indian Constitution. The guardian and creator of Indian national flag is freedom fighter name is Pangli Bekaiya in time of 1921 in British under rule. We also respect our flag because flag represented our self-respect and unity. And
So we should always respect our flag because our flag is our dignity. What do you mean by dignity? Anyone? What is the meaning of dignity? हमारी पहचान, हमारी प्रतिष्ठा, हमारी आइडेंटिटी. Means our identity is also our national flag. Means we all are Indian, we all are Bharatian. So now I am telling you the 24 spokes meaning. Okay. Means here it is in the middle of the national flag. Here it is an Ashok Chakra, and in the Ashok Chakra there are 24 spokes. So there have means basically the 24 spokes has different meanings. So I am telling you the 24 spokes meaning one by one, and after that we will complete this session. So first actually you can count from anywhere. Okay, so basically 24 spokes, just you have to count 24 words. First is love, means pyar. Second one is courage, means sahas. Third one is patience, means dhairya. Fourth one is peacefulness, means shanti. Next one is kindness, means dayaluta. Okay, next one is goodness, means अच्छाई. Next one is gentleness. Gentle means कोई भी जैसे gentle होता है ना, जैसे gentle word हम यूज करते हैं किसी अच्छे के लिए. Next one is faithfulness, means सच्चाई के लिए हम यूज करते हैं या विश्वास के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. Next one is वफादारी के लिए यूज करते हैं. Next one is self control, अपने ऊपर जो हम self control करते हैं. Next one is selflessness, means हमेशा हमें selfless नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, means हमेशा selfish नहीं होना चाहिए. Selfishness आप बोल सकते हैं या selflessness आप बोल सकते हैं. Next one is self sacrifice, means we are always ready to sacrifice for our country. Next one is truthfulness, means सच्चाई, हमें हमेशा सच्चाई और सत्यता का साथ देना चाहिए. Next one is righteousness, means हमें हमेशा right सही का साथ देना चाहिए, सच्चे मार्ग पर चलना चाहिए, सही का साथ देना चाहिए. Next one is justice. What is the justice means? न्याय. Next one is आपका है humility means मानवता. Next one is garruliousness, means just like it is related also to faith. Next one is empathy. What is the meaning of empathy? Empathy is sympathy, both. Okay. Next one is supreme knowledge, and next one is supreme wisdom, and next one is supreme mortality, and last one is altruism. ऑल्ट्रिज्म एक वर्ड होता है, ये भी हमारी देशभक्ति या पैट्रियोटिज्म से रिलेटेड ये हमारा वर्ड है. तो ये 24 स्पाइक्स हमारे नेशनल फ्लैग को क्या करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. अगर मींस इफ वी आर इंडियन, सो वी हैव दीज 24 स्पाइक्स और स्पोक्स, जस्ट वी हैव टू फॉलो फॉर द डिग्निटी और फॉर द मेंटेन ऑफ द डिग्निटी ऑफ द कंट्री. ओके, सो आई एम कंप्लीटिंग दिस सेशन हियर. ओके.